Hey, welcome back everyone to another video, and in this one we'll be taking a look at a few more examples of the Android Things operating system on the Raspberry Pi. So just for a quick recap, Android Things is a cut down version of Android OS. It is created by Google uh, as an IoT based operating system, and it was recently released for the Raspberry Pi 3 as a developer preview. Now, before we take a look at the examples, I would recommend you guys go ahead and check out my previous video in which I do talk about in great detail what Android Thing actually is and how it performs on the Raspberry Pi. Now for the examples, first of all we have a simple UI examples. Now also to note, all of these examples have been taken from the Android Things GitHub page, and I'll be linking it down in the description. So the simple UI is what it sounds. It's simply a UI with a few on-off controls which turn on and off certain GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi. So this demonstrates the use of a user interface, maybe in a kiosk-like situation or a home automation controller, and wherein you can directly interact with the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi using common Android UI elements, may it be buttons or such on and off switches. So as you can see, there are a few things that I will be pointing out on this particular demo. Is that first of all, the Blink LED app is running in the background. So yes, two or more apps can be running at once. Apart from that, the apps can communicate within themselves that what pins are being used by the other apps. So you can see the BCM 6 pin has been disabled in this example as it is being used by the blinking LED application. The third part is that yes, I am using the display on an RCA port and not an HDMI port, so both of the RCA and HDMI ports are supported. I'm not sure about the Raspberry Pi official display and whether its touchscreen is supported or not. Alright, for our next experiment, it's a bit simple one. It's just a simple button and an LED. Just shows the input and output part of the GPIO peripherals being used at once. So that's as simple as that. Moving on, the next one is a bit more interesting application. Now this was supposed to be called a doorbell application, but you would actually require a key from for Google Vision API as well as an API key for Firebase. So now I don't know where things didn't work out, but I was able to click an image. As you can see in the video, when I press the button, the LED on the camera glows. That means yes, the camera is being activated, and yes, it is clicking a photograph at that moment, but it is not being uploaded to my Firebase storage or to my or being received by the Google's Cloud Vision API. So so yes, this shows that the camera can be interfaced with Google Things OS, and that's a big plus. That is about it. Maybe some more applications later down the line. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.